What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs. Today I am uncovering the donor car. This is gonna have the motor and transmission that's going into the Thunderbird. We got to get it pulled inside. That way we can start pulling the motor. Fun stuff. Let me pop the trunk. Alright, we got the donor car inside. Just a little bit of pushing and persuasion. We'll just set this tripod up. Alright, so now that we got the car in and the hood popped and everything, I'm going to start breaking down the harness and getting this 302 high output 5.0 that's coming out of this 1995 Mustang, which is a SN95 chassis code Mustang, pulled out. It should be pretty much a drop-in affair. This is basically one of the same engines that came out of the Thunderbirds. I do have an aftermarket K member in the Thunderbird, so you know, just yeah, it shouldn't be any issues. Talking to the tuner, Eric Gold's shop has been a huge help, and also Anthony, my friend, came down. They're helping me get this transmission pulled out of this thing. What you saw was me up top just getting a couple of the wires loose. We ended up undoing the starter. I think there was like 2 plugs on either side of the transmission. I believe these are the AOD or A40D transmissions, automatic transmissions. They don't have a ton of electronics on them. We're getting the exhaust out of the way and then getting ready to drop this thing out the bottom. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I've never actually pulled a transmission out of a Mustang. I've really never done a whole lot on Mustangs. When I owned my Mustang in the past, I just kind of drove it and put exhaust on it. So I think that's probably common for most Mustang guys. But I'm going to try to record, I am going to record everything that happens on the Thunderbird turbo build. A lot of people are asking me what kind of parts I'm going to put into it. It's kind of up in the air, but I'm trying to stay budget minded as like 100%. It wouldn't be a Motor Nubs video if I wasn't trying to save as much money as possible. So looking at potentially like a On3 turbo kit, maybe CX Racing. Gonna end up taking a look and maybe freshening up the 302 a little bit, but we're probably not gonna pull the pistons or rods out of it. I'd like to keep it as stock motor as possible. Maybe throw a set of head gaskets and new head bolts in it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to let the video play through and show you guys us getting this transmission out. But if you have any recommendations or requests, anything like that, please let me know. I hate that I can't do a little bit more up close and in-depth videos whenever I have like help like this, but I felt like it was just the best thing for me to utilize my help as much as I could because I didn't have unlimited shop time. So we needed to really get the motor and transmission out as fast as possible. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow on the next video, and we'll have the motor out of this thing in a jiffy and hopefully be dropping it into the Thunderbird any day now. Probably have to wait on some parts, but yeah. So thanks, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video.